Why do 90% of birthday planners stress out? Don't worry, we've got you covered with some fun and easy tips to elevate any birthday celebration. First up, personalized gifts. Think custom-made items that shout, "Hey, I know you!" Next, swap material gifts for experiences. Plan a trip, a concert, or a special activity they'll never forget. Surprise parties are always a hit. Gather close friends and family for a celebration filled with joy and laughter, or create a memory album, a scrapbook or digital photo album packed with cherished moments and sweet messages. Ever thought of spending the day doing acts of kindness in their name? It's heartwarming and meaningful, and themed parties, they're perfect for showcasing their favorite things. Don't forget a special meal. Cook their favorite dish or book a table at their top restaurant. Collect letters or video messages from loved ones to express their love and appreciation. Lastly, treat them to a relaxation day or help them tick something off their bucket list. Follow these tips and you'll create birthday memories that last a lifetime. Happy planning, and may every birthday be unforgettable.